Hey guys, today we are going to be discussing academic research using popular search engines and research databases. In today's world, the bulk of our research information is going to come from an online source. So, where do you go for information? A lot of us, our first inclination is to go to Google. And Google can be okay as long as we know how to use Google to find academic worthy resources. So, what is Google? Google, like Yahoo and Safari, is a popular search engine. Popular search engines use software which search the entire World Wide Web for your inquiry. It skims millions of articles in less than a second and ranks them with their own algorithm. Google matches keywords to web pages, but determining if these articles are accurate or credible requires careful consideration. So, can popular search engines be problematic? Well, the problem with using a basic search engine is that it's hard to tell if the information is reliable or if the information has a bias. Okay, well, what is a bias? A biased source is one that has prejudice in favor of one position or opinion, or does not give a fair scope of the full idea or topic. Okay, so when we use popular search engines, what we are doing is pulling up web pages with information, and the URL address of a website can tell us a lot about its reliability for academic worthiness. Okay, what are domains? A website domain would be a .com, .net, .org, .edu, .info, or a .gov website. And not all of these are created equal. So, how does knowing what type of the website affect how we evaluate the research? Okay, so a commercial business, they are going to produce a product. So a .com or a .net, they are both a business. So you have to ask yourself, what are they selling to you as a reader? Okay. Uh, are .org websites trustworthy? Generally, but they have a special interest in swaying you to their cause or to make donations. So when you look at the website domains, I want you to think of a traffic light, red, .com, .net. You need to stop and think and ask yourself what the website is trying to convey, what they're trying to sell, and if it is a academic worthy website. A .org can be an excellent resource. They are a registered organization or a nonprofit or a charity, and a lot of the information that they can have can be trustworthy, but you have to also understand that there may be inaccuracies and they're trying to sway your opinion in favor of their organization. So .edus, .info, and .gov websites are generally considered the most reliable websites for information and for academic worthiness. Popular websites that have authority and credibility. Choosing a .com website to pull information from a Google search can be tricky, and we rely on notable commercial websites that are generally considered to have authority, credibility, and name recognition. So if you were to use historychannel.com, nationalgeographic.com, Science Direct, or Sage Publications, these are all trustworthy commercial websites that are selling scholarly or academic information that is suitable for your research. Okay, so what is the most reliable way to conduct research for an academic paper? Research databases. These are a collection of searchable information not limited to journals, articles, videos, and periodicals. So these are not web pages. And these are going to be your primary tools for research in college. Library and information databases are full of curated content specific for academic use. Most of the information you find on databases are peer-reviewed scholarly articles. Well, what does it mean to be peer-reviewed? Peer review means that someone did and wrote research about a topic, but another expert or experts in that field checked their work for accuracy. Scholarly implies it's from a credible source. It will likely include author information and a works cited page. So, when do you use a research database? Answer: whenever you are conducting an academic research for a paper. So we use the Tennessee Electronic Library, and its address is tntel.info. As an info website, we can feel extremely confident that what we find on there has academic research value.